to them. The emergent meeting of the Nehu Academic Council AC today formally adopted to implement National Education Policy 2020 for its undergraduate courses from the academic session of 2023 to 2024. The members in the meeting have also suggested the need to extend the session of the first semester students since the question papers as per the NEP syllabus is yet to be set. Speaking to reporters after the meeting of the Academic Council, JAC Chairman Professor Lakhon Kumar said that they are moving ahead in implementing the NEP, taking into account the interests of the students and the colleges.
Tomorrow your kids may come and study here, particularly if you... In the interest of the student, in the interest of the colleges, so we have said that, fine, we move ahead now, but from today, since we have done the post facto approval, now we have put it on record that Academic Council, which met on this day, which is the 26th of October 2023, we have actually adopted or rather approved the implementation from this session 23-24. And that is our, I would say, a victory of a sort. We want an extension of the first semester, which should not end in November or December. We need to give time because after all, whatever we are giving to them, they should be able to digest it, and hence the teaching learning process got affected 3 months because of his fault, not our fault. Because he delayed the calling up of the emergent AC meeting. Otherwise, this could have been sorted out. We could have had exam